Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, we are doing Unit 8 decimals of your NCERT book, and we are running 8.4 exercise. In our previous video, we have learned to do question number 1 and 2 of 8.4 exercise. Now, today we will do the remaining 3 questions of this exercise, that is question number 3, 4 and 5. Before doing that, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel to get the notifications and press the bell icon on. So let's do question number 3 now. Dear students, before moving on to the question, let us revise the conversions of length units. In this conversion, I have discussed with you earlier also the 4 units, measuring units of length. The smallest one is millimeter, then greater to this is centimeter, then it is smaller than meter, then the biggest unit of measuring the length is kilometer. So dear students, here make this table in your notebook once again in this exercise in this colorful way. Okay, now you can see that if you want to go, look at these red arrows. Look at these red arrows. If you will move from kilometer to meter, means bigger unit to smaller, then the number will get multiplied. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And you can learn in this way. You can see the number of zeros are reducing. Here 3 zeros are there, then 2 zeros, then 10, 1 0. So kilometer to meter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and the smallest unit is millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter, right? And if you want to convert, if you want to move from smaller to greater, you have to divide. Like if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10. If you want to go from centimeter to meter, as we have done in previous question, you have to divide by 100. If you want to convert meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000, right? So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So this will help you in understanding the concept, and just frame this picture in your mind also. So on the basis of this, let us do our question number 3. So dear students, our question is express as centimeter using decimals. We have to first express in centimeters, then we will convert them into decimals. Like 5 millimeter. Before doing the question, make this cloud. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, or we can say 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So when 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So if we want to convert millimeter into centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. So now 5 millimeter is there. So what do? We will first write down the identity. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So write down this identity. So let us divide 5 by 10. Let us divide it by. So this will get converted into centimeter. Now we have to convert it into decimals as per the question. So now as 10 carries only 1 0, so we will leave only one digit, that is only 5.0 centimeter. So this will be the answer. Now second, once again let us write 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, right? So let us divide the given number 60 by 10, then it will get converted into centimeters. So now what you can do, either you can cancel out or you can place the decimal for this 10. 10 carries 1 0, so we will leave only one digit after the decimal. So that one digit will be 0, then a decimal, then 6. That means 0.6 centimeter, or we can say 6 centimeter. So by cancelling out, we will get 6 by 1, that is 6 centimeter. Now C part. Now in C part, dear students, once again, we will write the relation 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So we will write it. Then let us divide. 164 divided by 10 to it will become centimeter. Now for this 10, it carries 1 0, leave one digit, that is 4 after the decimal, then 16.4 centimeter, right? Similarly, dear students, you can do D part. D part is 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So before doing the question, as I told you, write down the conversion. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, right? Then first of all, let them write in sum form like this. So 9 centimeter, no need to convert. We will convert this by dividing it by 10 into centimeter. So for this 10, we will place a decimal leaving one digit, that is only 8. This. So answer will be 9.8 centimeter. So clear? Similarly, E part. E part is 93 millimeter. So what is the relation? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Right? So we will divide 93 by 10 to convert it into centimeter. So now as it carries 1 0, we will leave one digit after the decimal and remaining before the decimals. So answer will be this. So I hope it is clear to you. Make this cloud in the beginning of this chapter, before this question. Now let's do question number 4. So now dear students, we have question 4. Express as kilometers using decimals. Means meters are given to us, we have to convert it into kilometers. So once again, let us see to convert meters into kilometers. Meter into kilometer means smaller to greater, means we have to divide. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Means we are moving from smaller to greater. Now look at the blue arrow. We have to divide by 1000. So let us do. Now once again, my dear students, before starting the question, write down this cloud in your notebook, which represents 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or we can say 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter will be, it will goes in the denominator, that is 1 by 1000 kilometer. So now first part is 8 meter. Now we will convert. So write down the relation. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, means we have to divide. So 8 divided by 1000. Now it will get converted into kilometers because kilometers are required. Now second part, we need decimals. For 1000, it have 3 zeros. We need to leave 3 digits after the decimal. So one digit is given as 8. What about the other two? So we'll take 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, then place the decimal. So it will get converted into kilometers. Similarly, 88 divided by 1000 kilometers. So again, there are 3 zeros. We'll leave 3 digits after the decimal. So first digit is 8, second digit is 8. We do not have the third digit. So what do we take? We'll take 0. Then we'll place a decimal and kilometer, right? Similarly, 8888 meters. Let us divide it by 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 8888 divided by 1000 kilometers. Now again, as it has 3 zeros, we'll leave 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 means we'll place the decimal here. 1, 2, 3 decimal, then again one more 8 is there. So this is the answer. Now D part. D part, 70 kilometer, 5 meters. So again we will first write it as 70 kilometer plus 5 meter. And then we will convert. This is already in kilometers. Don't change it. And let us divide it by 1000 to convert into kilometers. So 70 kilometer plus, for 1000 leave 3 digits. One digit is 5, No other, take a zeros, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then 0 kilometers. Now let us add them. This is 70 kilometer. This is 0.005. This is without decimal, so place the decimal and take zeros. So by adding it, we'll get 5, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 and 7. That is 70.005 kilometers. So I hope, dear students, it is clear to you. Write this conversion here also in the cloud. So in this way, do in your notebook also, do the rough portion by drawing the margin. So now let's do question number 5. Now, dear students, our next question is express as kilograms using decimals. Now the values are given to you in grams. We need to convert them into kilograms. So again, we will use the same concept as we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, because kilo means always, whether it is kilometer, it is kilogram. Dear students, kilo means होता है 1000. K, जब भी ये K लिखा जाए, that means sure 1000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, or 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So therefore 1 gram, this will goes in the denominator, get divided 1 by 1000 kilograms. So make this cloud before doing the question. So now let us start converting them into kilograms and using decimals. So 2 grams will get divided by 1000 to convert it into kilograms. Again, for 3 zeros, we leave 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Take the decimal like this. Similarly, second part, the 100 divided by 1000 kilograms. So we can cancel out 2 zeros. Now only 10 is there. For 10, 1 0 is there. We can leave only 1 digit, that is 1. Then place the decimal and 0 kilograms. और हम क्या करते, 3 zeros, तो 0 0 0. Now next, again let us divide 3750 grams by 1000 to convert it into kilograms. So for this, a 0 will cancelled out. For these 2 zeros, we'll leave 2 digits, 1 2, 1 2, decimal, then 3. We'll get this, right? So now D part. D part is 5 kg 8 grams. So 5 kg plus 8 grams. 5 kg plus 8 by 1000 kilograms, right? So for this 1000, we'll take 3 digits, 1 2 3, to place the decimal. So the answer will be 5 point, this is without decimal, 5 plus 0 is 5.008 kilograms. Similarly, dear students, we can do the last part. 26 kilograms 50 grams. So 26 kilograms plus 50 grams. Let us divide the grams, 50 grams by 1000 to convert it into kilograms. So for this 100, 2 zeros, we leave 2 digits. 1 is 5, other is 0. Kilograms. So the answer will be 26.05 kilograms. I taught you how to add the 2 decimal numbers. So dear students, I hope the questions are clear to you. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.